Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. CTS is still filthy as always because I daily drive this thing. Wheels are always dirty because I daily drive this thing. And paint's still messed up because daily driver things. But today we're gonna focus on one thing. We're gonna be focusing on the headlights. So currently I have a set of LEDs and I have these old halogens in here, which look like, this looks terrible. So I have a little solution for this. This is a set of innovated HIDs. So I opted for an HID conversion instead of keeping the LEDs because I want to keep this somewhat period correct. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna open the box. Comes with these bulbs. It's a full plug and play conversion. So the ballasts are in this box right here. You see them. I expect some good quality out of this. This does mean that you will have to drop the bumper to properly remove this. It is not that bad idea. You can remove it with a set of hand tools that you can get at Harbor Freight or any other parts store, even the generic ones. It doesn't matter. It's very easy to do. I just have my car up on ramps because hopefully it makes it easier. First and foremost, you're gonna want to pop your hood, and yeah, let's get to work.
So basically, I'm just gonna narrate over this section. Basically, you're gonna have to remove 4 clips on the top part of the bumper, right beside the grille, right beside the headlight. Then there's gonna be 4 bolts that you may have to remove. Personally, I didn't remove the 2 back ones where the radiator is. I just only just removed the front 2. There's gonna be 4 clips in the wheel well. It's gonna be for the wheel liner. You just need to pop those off. There are both on both sides. They're both push-in tabs and all that. Basically, just remove that, and you can pop the wheel liner off. However, there will be 3 bolts on inside where the bumper would be held at. But besides that, instead of giving you 5 minutes of footage, I will just give you this.
Okay, so there's a bolt there, a bolt there, and then there's a bolt right there. These are all 10 mils, so it should be easy to get, but at the same time, you may need an extension for this. But regardless, we're gonna pop these side marker lights out now. See if we can get in there. Right there. Just twist, pull them out. These are Sylvania 194s. They're the blue lens ones, so it's a whiter light because I don't like how the stock one looks. By the way, I did get those, by the way. So right here, these are gonna be replaced by the same bulbs I use in my side markers. Should clean the car up a little bit more than these standard halogens that I have in there right now. But once again, we'll see. So this is the part that sucks, honestly. You're gonna have to go in there. You're gonna have to reach your 10 mil, and you're gonna have to basically grab it, and you have to start wrenching. All I'm gonna really say is the extension just makes it easier. This is just to make it more DIY friendly. I may have to turn my wheel more. Let's see. Let's pull this wheel liner out. Nah, I got it. Look at it. You can see now with the wheels full lock, you can see how meaty these 245s are on this car. Okay, so let this be a lesson. Don't be an idiot like me. Don't work by yourself when you're doing this, because I just dropped my bumper onto the floor and likely just made the crack even worse. Yeah, no, that is terrible. Oh boy. So when removing these, once again, there's gonna be a 10 mil bolt right here. There's gonna be one down there, and right here on the corners, right there. There will be a mounting thing like behind in the fender that I will need. So that'll need to be pulled off, but it's still recommended to just be careful with what you're doing. once you pull it out of this socket, you're gonna want to disconnect that connection right there. Make sure not to damage it because I don't know how much that's gonna cost. So because we have a bird shit on my car, I don't know how that got there. Just say bird shit on it. We're just gonna wipe this down. And we got the homie pulling up. God damn it, Jay. So we got some 194s to replace the bulb in there. So right here, low beam, right here, oh shit. Right here, high beam, and then right under, this is where you're gonna access your daytime running light. So we're gonna quickly install the daytime running light bulb. So right here, you're just gonna unscrew to the left. There's gonna be a connector right in here. Simply squeeze and should come out easily. Yep, there you go. Old 194 halogen bulb, very ugly, does not look good. So once I pull this off, yeah. So simply just, we're gonna pull this right here. Thank you, Jay. Let me line this up. And damn. Okay, hold up. So the DRL is in. It's gonna be blue when you see it, but once it's on, it's gonna be the same color, hopefully, as the side markers. So we're gonna put this back in. We'll test, see if it works. All right, we're gonna turn on the lights and so let's see. Before, let's see, do the light adjustment. After. See, now it looks like my side marker. It looks more new. So basically, to remove this, you just grab it, twist to the left, and pops right out. This has this whole connection, which Jay is removing right now. So right here, HID bulb, we're not to touch this, but they come again with these slim ballasts. I don't know if you can touch these or not. So this is a innovated HID xenon ballast. If I remember, yeah, see it's a 55 watt high voltage. So it connects to, I'm assuming this connects to the this, and then these connect to, you know, all the light accessories right over here. So Innovated comes with a installation manual, fun fact. So see, single beam installation. Okay, so apply H1. Okay, this one right here, this one applies to Cadillac CTSs. The low beam is a 9006 bulb. 9005 is for your high beam. So it says right here, ballast, the red connector goes to this black and red one. This black connector links up like this. So I believe that this is just, we're gonna only be doing this because that is your low beam. And I'm assuming this is for your high beam right here. So, yeah, it comes with this little manual. You know, it just says as a safety precaution, has time to cool down, make sure to, you know, cars parked, wear gloves and avoid touching the glass of the bulb. Yeah, sorry. All right, so Jay has all this. We're gonna turn on the headlight, see if it turns on. Let me know when. All right, I am ready to go. Headlight? That is my headlight. Okay, headlight is not on. We may have to wire something else.
So what you're about to see in front of you is not Innovated's fault at all. If anything, it is of my own stupidity.
So we have everything wired up so far. We're having some problem with this bulb, but it could just be the sole fact that this one needs to just turn on. But we got the other side going already. It looks very blue on camera, but shouldn't look that bad. So we got a problem with this right now where it's just flickering. Could be a defective bulb, it could be a defective ballast, or just defective wiring. Regardless, this all comes with a warranty, at least I hope. But we have one functioning bulb right now. Luckily, my friend came in clutch, Jay over there. He had a ballast in his car. And let's go and turn it on real quick. And right here, yeah, it shows up very blue on the camera, but it's more of a white. But they do work, which that's good. So now, yeah. So now we can turn this off and we can put them in the housings. We'll say though, so a little bit of a jump cut, but obviously once you install them, it's gonna be, you know, a reverse order, a process.
So what had actually happened was on the pigtail connector that goes into the actual headlight, on the driver's side, I'd actually pulled a wire out of the pigtail connector. So what I had to do was I had to use a flathead to pop the safety cover off. And once I had the safety cover off, I simply pushed the wire back in and everything fired up like normal. So this is just what happened after.
This is how it's supposed to look. So now my low beams don't turn on anymore. This corner light works. It looks very 2000s now, and I really like it. So because this is my fault, I did not put any sort of blame on Innovated right here. Oh boy. It's more so my stupidity. I make mistakes, and you know, it's better to own up to it than blame a company and all that for their product, when it was more than likely my own fault. So Innovated, not your fault here. Honestly, now no complaints. I thought it was a bad ballast. I thought it was a bad bulb, actually. Absolutely not. My own stupidity. Remember, if something doesn't work on your car, make sure that's not your fault. Then you can go ahead and warranty it with the company. But now, let's get this car back together. So once you undo, once you put in all those clips and stuff under, all you gotta do now is just connect your side markers. They go in like this, and you can see them just twist. And they are now locked in place. And just repeat for the other side before you put these clips back in on your bumper. Again, very simple. It all goes in right there. Put it in there, and bam. Now you get to just adjust your trim, your undercarriage trim. Well, actually, no, this is not even your undercarriage trim. This is your wheel liner. Adjust your wheel liner, pop it back in place. Then bam, you can put your clips back in just like normal. All you gotta do is just repeat well, not really repeat. You gotta undo the steps that I did earlier in this video. Very simple. Just pop it in. That's one thing I do like about this car. I do like that it's not hard to get into this section, but at the same time, doing this, it is very complicated a little bit. Alrighty, if you did like this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what I should do next. I will definitely consider it. So far, I had my lights adjusted very bright now. Hopefully I don't blind people. I will definitely be adjusting in the future. But yeah, so this is it for the video. Bye everybody, take care.